I've been involved in railways in one way or another for 25 years, and we've talked about simplifying the fares and ticketing for all those 25 years. We're not seeing much progress on that, and it looks messy. It is messy, and it talks about 55 million types of fares. That is a lot, but computers have given the opportunities to cut through this, but I don't think the rail industry has taken those opportunities in the way that they could have done. There's always been something else that's been a bigger priority. But I think for the public, they don't talk about WISP and strategic plans, and they don't talk about transformation and transition. They talk about reliability, they talk about the value for money, they talk about punctuality, safety, security. And those are the things that, if we drift for too long, we're going to lose those elements. So London TravelWatch did research earlier in this year where we asked passengers what were their priorities. I think people have a very grown-up view of railways. They know there are trade-offs. They know that there are times where there may even have to be a reduction in services, but if that means more reliable services, they can buy that. But they need communication through all that, and we've seen one or two examples recently where services have been changed, but passengers aren't being told enough about them, and I think that's a worry going forward.